Wait, I'm taking a video. What's poppin', baby cakes, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're gonna be doing a mukbang with seafood, eggs, and potatoes. I have my lovely guest here. This is
Keisha.
And yeah, so you've ate seafood before, right?
Yep.
Okay, and I have, of course, because I love it. So we're gonna go ahead and get started. I have some eggs, but they didn't go planned. They're a little small, so we ain't gonna talk about it, but we're gonna go ahead and get in. Why would that's not me?
Yep. See, guys.
Should probably get the scissors. Raya, go sit down with your grandma.
No.
Well, stop making all that noise.
No. And me. Me.
Oh. Oh. Oh.
Oh yeah, me.
Go sit down.
And me. And me.
So I got these from Walmart. I usually just go to the restaurant and get them. These obviously don't taste the same, but they're not bad.
Stop.
And they're not as big.
Will you cow?
You struggling over there?
This is.
Nope, I'm trying to get the perfect.
This is.
Oh, watch.
This is mine. This is mine.
So I got these potatoes. They come in a box. You just heat them up in the microwave.
Oh.
Sorry, I'm double dipping.
Me too.
I'm gonna try this egg because everyone is eating the eggs. So I'm gonna go ahead and try it out.
Mommy,
No.
here.
So no, go put it down.
It's your new papa.
Okay, and I'm trying to do a video.
No.
Stop, Zachariah, you're moving the table.
What's your mother?
No, go see with Grandma.
No. No.
Mm. Oops. Got some on the table.
Now what are you doing?
Eat 'em.
Hmm?
I
Stop.
thank God for this food. Oh,
Amen.
Jesus Christ.
This egg is so good.
Have y'all ever had like
Mm.
some food? No, it's just hitting the spot. You just thinking to yourself, why did this food have to be so good?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, shut up.
And boy. Damn, I didn't even get no meat out. Mm. 1 second, right, because you'd be tripping.
Huh?
Mama? Uh-huh.
I said you'd be tripping.
Huh? Nina?
Yep, you.
Wow.
No.
Yep.
No.
That's a couple.
Boy, what are you talking about?
Ooh, I might get a perfect piece of crab.
Ooh, I don't like that fat stuff though. That got to go. I can get jiggy with that fat.
Oh.
Ooh, y'all.
Oh. Oh.
And then the sauce, I made it a little sweeter because
Oh.
I just like it. Ooh, I almost cut my finger off.
A
So I just like it sweet.
Mom.
I think this is gonna be a big piece. What y'all think? Think this gonna be a big piece? Or did I just chop it in half?
Mom, want some?
You ain't gonna eat it.
Mom, want some? But I like that.
I know you don't like it. So I'm just getting the fat off. Cause
Mom, wants some?
no, don't sit right there.
What's the water? No. Mommy! Mom,
So good.
I want you.
I'm eating. It's like you can never make a video when your kids is around.
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah.
And boy, I'm tired.
No.
I did it.
No. Mom. I want that booze.
Oh yeah.
I want that booze.
Arr! Boy there, matey.
That was so good. I should have made way more.
Oh yeah, power.
Right. Get down, Zach. This is my son Zachariah. For you guys that don't know. Whoa, that was juicy. He just wants to be on camera. You gonna say hi to the baby cakes?
Yeah.
Say hi.
Hi.
Say hi, baby cakes.
Hi, baby cakes.
Meow.
Meow.
You guys are weird. That baby.
What's up?
What's up?
Mm.
We haven't even been eating potatoes because the meat's so good.
Me so good, just make you want to slap your mouth.
Not me.
Hello? Hello? Oh no. What the bed?
All right, look down, please.
What's right there?
No.
That's two. What's that two? What's that two? What's that two? That's
I'm
that.
just to enjoy my food in peace. Can I do that? No? Okay. I don't think there's nothing in here, but
Yes, there is. Watch.
it's probably gonna be a small piece. Ooh. Yeah, very small. Can I have my arm back? Thank you.
Meow.
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 I tried it.
Oh.
Dang, that's a good one. Okay, get down, please. I can't even move. Well, stop grabbing on my arm.
Mom, cup.
Yeah, 'cause I'm trying to get to the meat.
It's in the meat.
Yeah. You want some?
No,
You act like you want some.
no, I want some.
Oh, excuse me. Whoa. Wow, who did that?
I don't know, that was a ghost.
saw that. No, get your butt down.
Oh no, nephew, I know you did not just spit on me.
What? You be hogging the scissors, like pass them back, bruh. Or put them in the middle.
Bro. Don't got time for that type thing.
Where's my last piece? I'm salty. Oh, it was almost damaged. Well, we still got potatoes that we need to eat. Oh, I'm about to mess this up. You guys hear the dishwasher in the bag? Don't pay it no mind.
Hey, Pop, where's... Hey,
Right.
where's...
Oh, so good.
Huh?
I'm salty and got no more though.
Whoa, what was that?
You need to put all these potatoes in there. Alright, leave that alone. Do you not like the potatoes? You don't like the potatoes?
Girl, you got all that meat inside of that crab. Oh no, nephew.
That is not meat. Where's meat? That little piece thing.
Okay.
Oh, wait a minute. This one got me in here too.
I need my crab.
I'm slacking.
Hello, Bee. Hello, Bee.
So guys, if you guys want to know some stuff about me, tell them. Never see. You guys don't really see me in videos except for that that egg prank. Go check that out.
Oh yeah. Shout out to that one girl that did hit you up on there. Saying, where's Keisha? Hopefully she's watching.
Who is that?
Shout out to you.
Well, whoever that is, thank you. I'm right here.
Go watch that egg prank.
Yes, it was very, very funny. You should have saw my face. But if you guys want to know some stuff about me, my name's Keisha. I'm 11. I'm her cousin. I'm from Arizona.
Arizona, baby.
Don't act like it though.
I'm from Chicago, so born and raised.
I'm not from Chicago, but my personality is like Chicagoan.
Because we're all from Chicago. So is his mom, so.
So their Chicago-ness came into my soul, possessed me.
That sounds like some devil stuff.
I'm born and raised in Arizona, but all my family's from
Tell you right.
Chicago. All my family's from Chicago. So like my personality is just like their personality, which is crazy.
I'm just clued in.
Get up for me. You want some? Ew.
Did that hurt?
No.
Wanna have this?
No.
I'm so good.
Shut up.
Well,
Yeah.
if you liked the video, hit that thumbs up button. That was really good. I wish I would have made more. But yeah,
Break the subscribe button, y'all.
leave a comment below on if you want me to see me do another bowl with more seafood
and
Shrimp,
probably
all
even a
that.
story time.
Yeah, story
Large
time.
amount
I'm
of
sorry I wasn't talking, but this food was just so good. But yeah, leave a comment below, subscribe, hit that bell so you'll know when I post it, which
Hit that
will be
ball.
coming soon.
Maybe
Come on, baby.
even give you one tomorrow, probably. Oh, hit the wall.
Whoa.
To end out this video,
And the video.
looking at the wall.
No, no, no.
3, 2.
Do.
Oh. Bye, guys.
Sister. Why is it still recording?